So today I'm going to show you how to set up your ticketing and everything inside your WordPress website. So essentially you have an Eventbrite running from your own website, okay? So we've installed the plugin and we've already set up quite a few tickets in here. So if we click on Tickera, you'll come through to your events. Now, your first step is to set up your event. Okay, so each different instance you have is an event. Okay, so if we go to, we've got 4 different types set up, and I'll go to the event categories and show you what we have. We have single day private events, which are happening on weekends right throughout different months of the year. Then we have a 3-day event, which is a large seminar type event. We got then the 2-day ticket for that two-day event, and then we got the single day at that same event. So we got that broken down like that into the categories. If we then go to the events themselves, we can then see what events are in there. Okay, so the event is the instance. So the latest of, and to what I recommend, instead of going to create new, I recommend that you duplicate one and then change out the dates and everything and the name and everything like that. So we'll just go and duplicate this one and wait for it to catch up. So everything's all in there. Okay, so first of all, you're going to edit the name. Then you may edit the description. We'll close this Yoast stuff down because we don't really need the Yoast on there at the moment. Then you might want the event location, the dates, okay, and then the terms of use. So you might just change the dates on there because all of this cancellation policy and everything stays the same. You can browse and get a logo, and if you've got a sponsor, you can browse and add a logo for that too. Okay, so that's really quite straightforward. You can set a featured image if you wish. Okay, and then it's simply publish, and you have your brand new event set up. Okay, and here you can add forms and all sorts of things, but you may not want to do that. Okay, so that's just setting up the first step, which is your event. The next thing is you want to add tickets. Now, I'm not talking about the ticket itself, the physical paper or the ticket that gets emailed out. We have to set up products that are tickets so that people can purchase them online. Now, you have different types of tickets. You'll have adult tickets, you may have child tickets, you may have early bird tickets, you may have VIP tickets. All these types of things, they're all linked back to your event. Okay, so what we do is we go into products now, and your ticket is simply a WooCommerce product, no different to your books or no different to whatever else it is that you sell. It's just a product that is linked to an event. Okay, so that's a really important thing to remember. Okay, so here we have the products page. Okay, now I like to go through here and just look at all the different tickets. Now this is it's not displaying too well. I don't know what's going on here. Let me refresh. No, for some reason it's not displaying too well, but never mind. Let's go and look. So you've got your categories, you've got events. If we click on that, it's only going to show us your products that are events, and it's going to get rid of it's going to filter out all of the other products that you have. There we are. Okay, so we've only got events now, okay, as you can see there. Now, the latest event, so if you want a new event, you can just add new. Okay, and let's just go through that little process there.